Hi, I'm Richard. I'm one of the co-founders of Abacus, and I just want to take a minute to run you through our table builder tool. I'm going to focus on the desktop version. The mobile version has all of the same functionality, it just looks a little bit different. So on the desktop version, over on the left-hand side, you're going to see our shape selector. So one thing to mention is that not all of the leg designs and tabletops are available for all the shapes. So if you can't click something, if it's grayed out, that's probably why. Below the shape selector are the dimension sliders, so you can adjust the length and width here. As you do so, you're going to notice that the price in the top right changes dynamically. So you're always getting a price for the thing that you've got on the screen. Below the price, you can see a finance options button. If you click that, you're going to see finance quotes for that model with terms between 12 and 60 months. Down at the bottom of the screen, here are the main controls. So the table leg, this is where you select your table leg, but the adjustment price, this little minus or plus price, basically tells you how much extra or how much you're going to save by clicking into this model. So you can see here that the alpha is minus £158. So I'm going to save some money by clicking that, whereas these versions are more. So you can quickly cycle through the different leg designs and different tabletops and understand how those options affect the price that you're going to see. So I'm clicked on one of our premium models at the moment, the Baobab. Moving on to the tabletop, what you see here, you can select the tabletop material, but a lot of the customization options reside in the next section. So if I've got stone selected, for example, and then I select colors, this really opens things up and I get to select the specific stone that I want. And you can create some really, really cool combinations here. There's so many different combinations that you can create using the table leg, tabletop and colors options. So you can create something that's really unique to you, and is going to suit your space. Now, if you select some of the options, you're going to get a details tab. So if I just select statement French oak, for example, and I click number 4, the details tab, it's going to give me edge style options and it's going to give me top thickness options as well. So whatever you see in the details tab depends on what you've selected previously. Over on the right hand side, you've got a size guide that is specific to the model that you are on, and it's going to give you an idea of what size you need to see different numbers of people. You've got a view in space button. This is a really important one. So if you're on desktop, it brings up a QR code to scan on your mobile phone with the camera. That enables you to see what you built in your actual space, and it's dimension accurate as well. So you can get a very, very good idea of how this table is going to look in your space using virtual reality. And you're also able to see, if the size that you built fits or not. If you click this button on mobile, you don't need to scan any codes. It just takes you directly to the builder. The Save Design button enables you to save designs, of course. If you haven't created an account, it will prompt you just to create an account and put your password in. Then you can go to your account, the account page in the top right, and you're able to filter all the designs that you've saved by price, low to high. For example, you can adjust these designs, you can edit them or delete them, or you can click the view full quote button and you can get a full quote for any of them with a bit more information. One of the things that I would say, there are so many different combinations that you can create, it can be useful to get some ideas and inspiration. And the best place to do that is in our gallery in the menu. So click that and you're going to get to see what people have built. And hopefully it's going to give you, a good idea of where you might want to start. Another page that I would highly recommend visiting is our video guide page. There are video guides for pretty much everything in here. If you are interested in a specific tabletop, these guides are going to give you some really useful information and enable you to understand pretty much everything that you need to know about that top. So that's it. I'm going to let you have a play around with it. I hope that's useful. I hope the tool is useful. If you have any questions, please give us a shout. We're always happy to help. Have a good day. Cheers. Bye.